Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Palm Beach, and we're going to take a quick look at the Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless Pro. First thing you'll see that you'll notice here is the nice upper helm station. You got full controls. The 240 Dauntless is built for versatility, so off the back here you'll notice the aft casting platform is all one level. It's huge. You've got some snap-in cushions here that are removable with backrests that pop into these rod holders. We've got them stowed away right now, but it gives you a real comfortable ride out to the fishing spot. This one's equipped pretty nice with a power pole, jack plate. You got a 350 Verado. Let's hop on real quick. Got a huge live well. See if you can get a look at that. You got nice storage under each one of these cushions. Slide out Yeti cooler. It's a real ergonomic setup here at the helm with your flip up bolsters. Nice Raymarine Axiom screen. And then there's your upper helm. You can see you got another screen up there. All the same controls you've got at the helm. The helm below. Up in the bow, you got a nice casting platform with removable cushions and flip up backrest, so you can have two people laying up here forward facing while underway. And you've got your forward live well as well. So that was just a sneak peek. Whenever you get a chance, please give us a call and set up an appointment. My name is Jordan. I'll be happy to show you around. 561-494-7267. Look forward to seeing you.